Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Venkateshaya. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Lakshminatha Samarambam Nadayamuna Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. In Bhagavad Gita, Shri Krishna tells Arjuna, in order to protect the righteous, to kill the wicked, and to re-establish the principles of Dharma, I will appear on the earth in every yuga. Punyam Boja Vikasaya Papadvanta Shayaya Cha Shriman Avir Bhut Bhaumau Ramanuja Divakaraha. To re-establish Deva Bhakti and Dharma, Adisesha took avatar as Sri Ramanuja, the Vishwacharya on this Veda Bhumi. King among all, and yet the humblest servant of Lord and his devotees. Philosopher par excellence, and yet ardent devotee. A great spiritual master, Sri Ramanuja, whose power and influence has been unfolding over the last 1000 years. Let us all take a dip in the ocean of Bhakti. For the supreme devotees of Vishnu are known as Alvars, which literally means one who dives deep or sinks.
Shri Ranganatham Shirasa Namami. Shri Ranganatham Manasa Smarami. Madam mukyam kidayad. Manavattvame mukyam. Kulam mukyam kidayad. Guname pradhanam. Anukulyasya sankalpaha pratikulyasya varjanam rakshishyati iti vishvasaha goptritva varanam tatha atmanikshepa karpanye Shadvidha Sharanagatihi.
Swami, can you kindly enlighten us with the meaning?
In Vaishnava Sampradaya, the sixfold factor of Sharanagati is explained as Anukulyasya Sankalpaha, to entertain thoughts only on Sriman Narayana. Pratikulyasya Varjanam, renouncing unfavorable thoughts. Rakshishyati iti Vishwasaha, to have firm faith that Sriman Narayana will protect. Bhagavane Narayana. Goptritva Varanam Tatha, seeking refuge in Swami. Atmanikshepa Karpanye. Shri Narada Muni Navavida Bhaktila Atmanivedanamnu sollirkar. I am yours, Swami, Bhagavane, Ranganatha. I have no wish or will of my own. I am yours. We are helpless. Bhagavan only can do. There is nothing by our own effort. Shadvidha Sharanagati, the six-fold factor of Sharanagati. Shri Ranganatha Pahimam.
Pahimam, Pahimam.
भज रामानुजं जय रामानुजं भज रामानुजं जय रामानुजम् अनन्तः प्रथमं रूपं लक्ष्मणश्च तथा परः बलभद्रं तृतीयस्तु कलौ रामानुजमुनिः भज रामानुजं जय रामानुजं भज रामानुजं जय रामानुजं भज रामानुजं जय रामानुजम् சித்திரை ஆதிரையில் உதித்த ஜோதி சீர்மிகு இளையாழ்வான் திருவடி போற்றி. சித்திரை ஆதிரையில் உதித்த ஜோதி சீர்மிகு இளையாழ்வான் திருவடி போற்றி. எங்கும் புகழ் விளங்கும் ராமானுஜா எங்கும் புகழ் விளங்கும் ராமானுஜா எல்லையில்ல கருணை கடல் யதிராஜா எல்லையில்ல கருணை கடல் யதிராஜா. நாதமுனி உய்ய கொண்டார் நம்பியிருவர் ஆள வந்தார் அடி பணிந்த அடியவன். நாதமுனி உய்ய கொண்டார் நம்பியிருவர் ஆள வந்தார் அடி பணிந்த அடியவன். எம்பார் கூரேசன் பட்டர் நஞ்சியர் நம் பிள்ளையன சீடர் உடையவன். எம்பார் கூரேசன் பட்டர் நஞ்சியர் நம் பிள்ளையன சீடர் உடையவன். பரம்பொருள் அறி என்றே பறை சாற்றினான் பாகவத பணியே உயர்வேனும் நிலை நாட்டினான். பரம்பொருள் அறி என்றே பறை சாற்றினான் பாகவத பணியே உயர்வேனும் நிலை நாட்டினான். சரணாகதியே உய்ய வழியென காட்டினான் சரணாகதியே உய்ய வழியென காட்டினான். சகலரும் ஒன்றே என்று வேதத்தை ஊட்டினான் சகலரும் ஒன்றே என்று வேதத்தை ஊட்டினான். பஜ ராமானுஜம் ஜெய ராமானுஜம் பஜ ராமானுஜம் ஜெய ராமானுஜம். அடியவர் மணிமுடி உடையவர் திருவடி பெருமுனி சூத்திர உரைமொழி தவமுனி உடல் மிசை உயிர் என தரிசன வழி தரும் பெருநெறி வைணவ குலநிதி. அகவிருளகல தெளிவுற ஒளி தரு பக்திவான்மதி. இக பரகதி தரு எதிபதி ஐயன் அருள்மேயன் முக்கோள் கையன்.
Swami, please walk carefully. You're only looking on one side.
For this Dhanurdasar, is anything more beautiful than your face, Ponnachiyar? Look at you, the most beautiful lotus eyes. Aha, aha. Why are you doing this? Swami, I fell in love with those eyes. I have never seen such beautiful eyes ever. If I show you the most beautiful eyes, what will you do? Most beautiful? Okay, Swami. If you do so, I will be forever in your service. अपार करुणांबुधे अनालोचित विशेषाशेष लोकशरण्य प्रणतार्तिहर आश्रित वात्सल्यैक महोदधे अनवरत विदित निखिल भूत जात याथात्म्य सत्यकाम सत्य संकल्प आपत्सख काकुत्स्थ श्रीमन् नारायण पुरुषोत्तम श्री रंगनाथ मम नाथ नमोस्तुते. Bhagavane, please show mercy. Please open and show us the full beauty of your lotus eyes. I plead you, Periya Perumale. Narayana, Narayana, you are right, Swami. Shri Ranganatham Shirasa Namami. Shri Ranganatham Manasa Smarami.
ஆதிசேஷனம் சரமடி ஆண்டாளின் நன்னடி ஆழவந்த கடிமயடி கிளியே எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமிய திராசனடி. அரங்கனின் அடிமையடி வெங்கடத்து வேதியனடி எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமிய திராசனடி. தேவரஜதாசனடி பட்டசதி புத்திரனடி எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமிய திராசனடி. நாரணனை காட்டி நாட்டி செல்வ பிள்ளைக்கு தந்தையடி எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமிய திராசனடி. சென்னிய சுடுவாரை வைகுண்டத்தில் வாழ வைக்கும் எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமிய திராசனடி. எங்களி ராமானுசனடி கிளியே சுவாமிய திராசனடி.
திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
Emperumanar had to make 18 trips to Tirukoštiyur before getting initiated with Tirumandiram by Tirukoštiyur Nambi. Well, on the 18th occasion,
Adiyen Dasoham. Adiyen Dasoham. Come, your arrogance is gone. Now we can talk.
Acharyal Nambi initiated Sri Ramanuja into the Tirumandiram on the condition that Ramanuja would not share it with anyone. Else, if he did so or failed, he would go to hell. Having learnt the Tirumandiram, Ramanuja climbed up the third tier of the temple.
People of Tirukoštiyur, come and assemble here. Irrespective of caste and creed, I will now reveal the Tirumandiram, and by chanting, it will lead all of you to moksham. Let us all chant together. Om Namo Narayanaya.
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 ராமானுஜா, குரு துரோகி, நீ ஒரு குரு துரோகி. திருமந்திரம் எல்லாருக்கும் கொடுத்து விட்டாய். Adiyen Dasoham. Adiyen Dasoham. Swami, I know this is break of promise, but by sharing Tirumandiram, I alone will go to hell. But Koti Jana, having learnt it, will get moksha.
Impressed with Sri Ramanuja's reply, Nambi crowned him with the title
రామానుజా, నీ ఎంపెరుమానార్ ఆనాయ్.
గతులన్ని ఖిలమైన కలియుగమందును గతి ఈతడే చూపే ఘన గురు దైవము. గతులన్ని ఖిలమైన కలియుగమందును గతి ఈతడే చూపే ఘన గురు దైవము. గతులన్ని ఖిలమైన కలియుగమందును గతి ఈతడే చూపే. ఈతని కరుణనేక ఇల వైష్ణవులమైతిమీతని వల్లనే కంటిమి తిరుమణి. ఈతని కరుణనేక ఇల వైష్ణవులమైతి మీతని వల్లనే కంటిమి తిరుమణి. ఈతడే ఉపదేశమిచ్చెను అష్టాక్షరి మంత్రము ఈతడే ఉపదేశమిచ్చెను అష్టాక్షరి మంత్రము ఈతడే రామానుజులు ఇహ పరదైవము ఈతడే రామానుజులు ఇహ పరదైవము కతులన్నీ ఖిలమైన కలియుగమందును గతి ఈతడే చూపే వెలయించె నీతడేక వేదపు రహస్యములు చలమి నీతడే చూపే శరణాగతి వెలయించె నీతడేక వేదపు రహస్యములు చలమి నీతడే చూపే శరణాగతి నిలిపినాడే తడేక నిజముద్రాధారణము నిలిపినాడే తడేక నిజముద్రాధారణము మలసి రామానుజులు మాటలాడే దైవము మలసి రామానుజులు మాటలాడే దైవము గతులన్నీ ఖిలమైన కలియుగమందును గతి ఈతడే చూపే నియమములు ఈతడేక నిలిపే ప్రపన్నులకు దయతో మోక్షము చూపే తగనీతడు నియమములు ఈతడేక నిలిపే ప్రపన్నులకు దయతో మోక్షము చూపే తగనీతడు నయమై శ్రీ వెంకటేశు నగమేకే వాకిటను నయమై శ్రీ వెంకటేశు నగమేకే వాకిటను దయచూచి మమ్ము నిట్టే తల్లిదండ్రి దైవము దయచూచి మమ్ము నిట్టే తల్లిదండ్రి దైవము కతులన్నీ ఖిలమైన కలియుగమందును గతి ఈతడే చూపే ఘనగోరు దైవము కతులన్నీ ఖిలమైన కలియుగమందును గతి ఈతడే చూపే గతి ఈతడే చూపే
மானவ சேவ மாதவ சேவ மாணவர்கள் எல்லோரும் மாதவ ஸ்வரூபமே ஸ்வச்சந்தவன ஜாதேன शाकेनापि प्रपूर्यते अस्य दग्धोदरस्यार्थे कः कुर्योत्पातकं महत् Why on earth should one commit such a heinous sin, killing animals for this wretched stomach, which can be filled with vegetables and greens growing lush in the forest? It is very important to be compassionate to all living beings. One can earn as much merit by singing the names of Bhagavan. Such Vaishnavas do not belong to any caste. They are neither Brahmana nor Kshatriya, neither Vaishya nor Shudra. Everyone is equal. Ultimate three kinds of entities: Achit, matter; Chit, soul; Ishvara, Bhagavan. Bhagavan is the central reality of soul and matter. Neither can exist without him. For example, like a mango fruit, the color, taste, flesh, smell, and fiber constitute the entire fruit and can be different from one another. Though each element in the fruit has its own attributes, the whole is regarded as mango. Whatever exists is contained within God. Prakriti, Jiva, Ishvara. Bhagavan manifests in 5 forms. First, Para, highest form, which as Parabrahman or Sriman Narayana dwells in Nitya Vibhuti. Second, Vyuha, fourfold, Vasudeva, Sankarshana, Pradyumna and Aniruddha, forms assumed for purpose of worship by devotees. Third, Vibhava, Supreme manifests himself as Avatara. Fourth is Antaryamin, dwells in the heart of all embodied beings as their friend. Fifth is called Archa, in which the deity dwells in consecrated Vigraha. Therefore, in all these manifestations, the chief purpose is to help the erring souls by his unsurpassable love and compassion.
जय रामानुज जय यतिराज जय केशव सुत उडयवरे जय
जय रामानुज जय यतिराज जय केशव सुत उडयवरे जय
जय रामानुज जय यतिराज जय केशव सुत उडयवरे जय
जय रामानुज जय यतिराज जय केशव सुत उडयवरे जय
वंदित दाशरथि प्रिय श्रीकेशव सुत कांति मतेय
पुरेश वंदित दाशरथि प्रिय श्रीकेशव सुत कांति मतेय
जय रामानुज जय यतिराज जय केशव सुत उडयवरे जय
जय रामानुज जय यतिराज जय केशव सुत उडयवरे जय
ಪ್ರಿಯ ಕಂಚಿ ನಂಬಿ ಸಖ ಯಜ್ಞೇಶ ವಂದಿತ ಇಳಯಾಳ್ವಾನೆ
ಗೋವಿಂದ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಕಂಚಿ ನಂಬಿ ಸಖ ಯಜ್ಞೇಶ ವಂದಿತ ಇಳಯಾಳ್ವಾನೆ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ದೇವರಾಜ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಯತಿ ಕುಲ ತಿಲಕ ಮೂಕ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ದೇವರಾಜ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಯತಿ ಕುಲ ತಿಲಕ ಮೂಕ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಪರಮತ ನಿರಸಕ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಸಕ ಕಲಿನಾಶಕ ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಭಾಷ್ಯಕಾರ
ಪರಮತ ನಿರಸಕ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಸಕ ಕಲಿನಾಸಕ ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಭಾಷ್ಯಕಾರ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಪಾಲಿತ ವರದಾತ್ರಿ ದಂಡಧಾರಿ ಊರ್ಧ್ವ ಪುಂಡ್ರಧರ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಪಾಲಿತ ವರದ ತ್ರಿದಂಡಧಾರಿ ಊರ್ಧ್ವ ಪುಂಡ್ರಧರ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಯಾಮುನವಾರಸ ಜಿತ ಕೃಮಿ ಕಂಠ ಜಗದಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿ ದೇವನುತ
ರಾಮುನವಾರಸ ಜಿತ ಕೃಮಿ ಕಂಠ ಜಗದಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿ ದೇವನುತ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
ಜಯ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ಜಯ ಯತಿರಾಜ ಜಯ ಕೇಶವ ಸುತ ಉಡಯವರೇ ಜಯ
Pancha Samskaras. It is the process through which the Guru initiates the disciple into Sri Vaishnavism.
Tapa Pundra Tatha Nama Mantro Yagascha Panchama.
Embossing the impressions of Sri Vishnu's discus on the right shoulder and the conch on the left shoulder of the disciple, marking the Urdhva Pundra on 12 locations on the body of the disciple while uttering the 12 names of Sri Vishnu.
Trivikrama, Vamana, Sridhara, Hrishikesha, Padmanabha, Damodara.
The disciple assuming the Dasya Nama, initiating the disciple into the Ashta-akshara mantra.
Om Namo Narayanaya.
Dvayam Mahamantra.
Shriman Narayana Charanau Sharanam Prapadhye. Shrimate Narayanaya Namaha. Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam Vraja. Aham Tva Sarva Papebhyaha Mokshayishyami Ma Shuchaha.
Yajna, the disciple performing worship to Sri Vishnu.
हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजां चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावह तां महावह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयं गामश्वं पुरुषानहम्.
సరియవరు దాసుడనండి రామానుజ. తల్లివి నీవే తండ్రివి నీవే రామానుజ. గురుడవు నీవే పరమదయాళు రామానుజ. సొమ్ములు మేము స్వామివి నీవు రామానుజ. రామానుజ జయ జయ రామానుజ. రామానుజ భగవద్ రామానుజ. దైవం నీవే రామానుజ గతివి నీవే గతివి నీవే రామానుజ
జీవం నీవే దైవం నీవే రామానుజా గతివే నీవే గతివే నీవే రామానుజా
రామానుజ జయ జయ రామానుజ పల్లాండు పల్లాండు రామానుజ
రామానుజా జయ జయ రామానుజా పల్లాండు పల్లాండు రామానుజా
రామానుజ జయ జయ రామానుజ పల్లాండు పల్లాండు రామానుజ రామానుజ జయ జయ రామానుజ పల్లాండు పల్లాండు
గురుముఖమనదీత్య ప్రాహ వేదానశేషాన్ నరపరి పరిక్లుప్తం శుల్కమాదాదు కామః శ్వశురమమల వంద్యం రంగన
Om Namo Venkateshaya. Sri Venkatesha Itihasa Mala explains the various contributions by Sri Ramanuja to Tirumala. Tiruvenkata mountain is the abode of Lord Vishnu. The adorning of Naga Bharana, ornament on Swami Venkateshwara. Tirumanjanam, the holy bath to Sri Moolamurthy. The sacred Tirunamam on Sri Moolamurthy. Tirumanjanam to Sri Devi Tayar and recitation of Nachiyar Tirumal. The change of deities. Sri Rama in Tirumala temple. Ekanta Seva to Sri Krishna during Margasirsha. Lord Narasimha Sannidhi in Tirumala. Duly appointing of Archakas. Lord Varahaswami in Tirumala. Laying the streets for festivals in Tirumala to conduct Brahmotsavam of Lord Venkateshwara at the hills from Tiruchanur. The Govindarajaswamy temple in Tirupati bring the identity between Sri Govindaraja and Sri Venkateshwara. Poola Bavi, Bangaru Bavi, the wakeful tamarind and shenbaga trees, the importance of Ramayana discourses at the foothills, and self-revealed feet of the Lord. Climbing up the hill by devotees by chanting the name Govinda, Govinda. Pachakarpuram on Lord's chin as a very unique mark. Padmavati Tayar pendant on the chest of Swami Venkateshwara. Ramanujacharya instructed not to wear any garland on the hills. The most important aspect where no part of the sacred Tirumala mountain should be damaged. Plants, birds, animals, insects should not be touched, as every creature is divine on the hill. Sri Ramanuja's contribution to Srirangam temple are immense and immeasurable. Sri Swamigal renovated the shrine of Sri Dhanvantri and installed a new Vigraha. He made arrangement for the supply of milk and kashaya from this shrine to Sri Ranganatha every night. Emperumanar constructed a beautiful shrine and installed Nammalvar there.
Vandi
Srirangam temple itself. Sri Ramanuja installed shrines for all the other Alvars. Andal and Nadamuni made arrangements for the celebration of many festivities. The importance of recitation of Divya Prabandhams, following the footsteps of Nadamuni. Some important aspects of Sri Ramanujacharya's message.
Worship Sri Vaishnavas exactly as you would do in the case of your spiritual preceptor. Have sincere faith in the teachings of the great acharyas. Never be slave to your senses. Be not satisfied with the acquisition of worldly knowledge. Go on reading repeatedly the books dealing with the greatness of Swami and the wonders of his creation. Learn to treat all your feelings with indifference. Enjoy the utterance of the names and glories of Hari Bhaktas with as much relish as the utterance of Sri Harinama and his glories. Dedicate yourself in the service of Sriman Narayana and his devotees. The life of a Vaishnava is not for acquiring any selfish advantage. Devote a portion of the day, at least 1 hour, to the contemplation of the greatness of your spiritual preceptor, and sometime every day to the reading of the sacred writing of the Alvars or the Acharyas. Seek company of those who pursue the path of self-surrender to God. Do not associate with people who are always in quest of sense enjoyment. Mingle with devotees of Swami. Shriman Narayana Charanau Sharanam Prapaddi.
Sri Ramanujar erected pillars and built the path of bhakti, which was fit for all people. He never chose moksham only for himself. He said, if moksham is for him, it is selfishness. But it is equally meant for all, and that is dharma. The mantram came as Bahirgatam, and it has to be initiated to all. There are crores of devotees who will receive moksham, and its ultimate end, which is Sharanagati or surrender. Shri Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Dattulyam Ramanama Varanane. Whatever be the jati, for a Manava, they are all Madhavas. All around the world, people were united and equality was established. Sri Ramanujar's Sri Bhashyam, Vedanta Sangraha, Bhagavad Gita, everything had a very special and a compassionate message to all beings. The ultimate aim was to establish dharma. It was yato dharmaha tato jayaha. Swami Ramanuja is considered to be the avatar of Adisesha. Before that, he served as Lakshmana when his brother was Sri Rama. And then he was the favorite brother of Lord Krishna when he became Sri Balarama. To save the people in Kali Yuga, he took the avatar of Sri Ramanuja. Jai Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Jai Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Jai Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha.
Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya.
கருணை பொழிந்திடு கமல கண்ணழகும் காரிசுகன் கடல் சூழிய முடியும் நச்சிகை முடியும் எப்பொழுதும் எதிராஜன் வடிவழகு என் இதயத்துளதார் இல்லை எனக்கெதிர் இல்லை எனக்கெதிர் இல்லை எனக்கெதிரே ராமானுஜ ஜெய ராமானுஜ ஜெய ராமானுஜ ஜெய யதிராஜா ராமானுஜ ஜெய ராமானுஜ ஜெய ராமானுஜ ஜெய யதிராஜா ராமானுஜ ஜெய யதிராஜா ராமானுஜ ஜெய யதிராஜா ராமானுஜ ஜெய யதிராஜா ராமா